Whatever setting up time is there, we are supposed to minus divided by, you know how come you got 2 lakh, 1 lakh 80 plus installation charges 20,000, that is also part of your cost. A warm welcome to one and all. This is your Adasa here, lecturing Vidhyaashram First Grade College, the Temple of Excellence. Now we are discussing your session 8, unit 5 of cost accounting. In this, we are discussing the topic called overhead. Under overhead, we have one more subtopic that is called as machine overhead. Now, what do you mean by machine overhead? We know that what is machine overhead, and we also worked out almost 2 to 3 problems on machine overhead. Today we'll work out one problem, that is your previous year exam question paper problem. So you can expect similar kind of problems in your examination. So your machine overhead will go with the problem. As you know that we are supposed to bifurcate into two, which are those like one will be your standing charges and one more will be your variable charges. Now, from the following information, compute machine overhead. Now, cost of the machine 1,80,000, installation charges 20,000, scrap value after 10 years it is 25,000. These are the informations are there. Why they have given all this information? To calculate depreciation. Now, working hours 2,200 and setting up time 200. As you know that whatever setting up time is there, we are supposed to minus. And up to this, all the information to calculate depreciation. Then rent and taxes 5,000 per annum. Supervisor's salary 4,000 per month. Per annum is given, don't multiply. Per month is given, you are supposed to multiply. And rent and taxes, supervisor, all comes under standing charges, or else we call it as fixed charges. Then insurance premium 2% of the cost of the machine. What is the cost of the machine? 1,80,000 plus installation 20. So it will be what? 2 lakh. Your cost of the machine is called as 2 lakh. You are supposed to calculate percentage on 2 lakh rupees. So how much it is? 2% on 2 lakh, it will be around 44,000. Now, so we'll calculate that, and this is also called as standing charges. Repair and maintenance 50% of the depreciation. Repair and maintenance 50% of depreciation. Now, so whatever depreciation we calculate, on that 50% we are supposed to calculate as repair and maintenance, and this will be called as variable. Power always comes under variable. We'll work out while doing that particular topic. Now, so we'll go for your solution or answer. Like computation of machine hour rate. So computation of machine hour rate. In this, the first column will be particular cost per year, cost per hour, machine cost per year, machine cost per hour. So we concentrate only what? How much we are spending for that particular machine. Now, in this, first one will go with standing charges. First one is what? Standing charges. Standing charges. So what are the standing charges we have? We'll go one by one. What are those standing charges? We'll go one by one in that first one. So your standing charges in this, which one? Rent and taxes 5,000 per annum. We'll go for that. Rent and taxes. Rent and taxes 5,000 per annum. So take 5,000. That is over. Next. After rent and taxes, we'll go with insurance premium. How much we have? 2% of the cost of the machine. Insurance premium. Insurance premium 2% of the cost of the machine. What is the cost? 1,80,000 plus installation. Installation always part of your cost. 180 plus 20, it will be 2 lakh. Then 1,80,000 plus 20,000 on that 2% will calculate how much you will get. See, so 1,80,000 plus 20,000, we got 2 lakh multiplied with what is the percentage? 2%. I got 4,000. Your answer is 4,000. Next, after this, we have one more. Supervisor's salary 4,000 per month. Supervisor salary. So it is what? 4,000 multiplied with 12. Have they mentioned anywhere supervisor how much time he dedicated for machine? Nothing is given. If nothing is given, the whole value we can consider as dedicated for machine. So supervisor's salary in this, yes, 4,000 per month. So it will be 4,000 into 12. It will be 48,000. 4,000 multiplied with 12. I got 48,000. So this is 48,000. Next, after supervisor, insurance is over. Repair and maintenance 50% of the depreciation. Repair and maintenance 50% of depreciation. These are what? Variable. Do we have anything standing charges? This is over. This one is over. We'll go for repair and maintenance 50% of depreciation. Now, so these are your standing charges. What is the total? 5 plus 4 plus 48. It will be 57,000. Yes, 57. I'll cross check once again. 5,000 plus 4,000 plus 48,000. It will be 57,000. Now, so we got 57,000. In this 57, remember 57,000 divided by number of hours. How much? Working hours 2,200. Setting up time is 200. How much you will get? 2,000. 2,200 minus 200. Now calculate 57,000 divided by 2,000. I got 28.5. So your answer is 28.5 is your final answer. Hope you are clear. Good. So 28.5 we consider as your machine cost or machine hour rate. So per hour rate, what is your cost of machine? Now, so once you're done with this, we'll go with variable cost. Variable cost. What is a variable cost? We'll go your depreciation, repair, your power charges. These three comes under variable charge. Now, first one, your repair and maintenance. Before that, we'll go for your depreciation. First one, depreciation. What is the cost of the machine? So 2 lakh. What is the scrap value? Your scrap value is 25,000. Divided by, you know how come you got 2 lakh? 1,80,000 plus installation charges 20,000. That is also part of your cost. Now, divided by number of years 10 into, what is the number of hours? 2,200 minus 200, we have 2,000 hours. So it will be 2,000. So what is the answer? So it will be 1,75,000. 2,000 into 10, it will be 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 20,000. Hope you are clear. Yes. So what is your depreciation now? Simple. 1,75,000 divided by 20,000. I got 8.75 as your depreciation. So whatever we are calculating, per hour we are calculating. That's why we don't use this column. Any information available for per year, per month, then only we use this column. Or else we can go directly to the last column. Now, In this, what happened? Next one, variable cost is over. First one, depreciation over. What is the next? After depreciation, we have, so depreciation is over. Yes. So we have repair and maintenance, 50% of depreciation. Repair and maintenance. Repair and maintenance. So how much it is? 8.75 multiplied with 50%. So 8.75 multiplied with 50%. 8.75 into 50%. I got 4.375. So your answer is 4.375. We'll go for the last one. Power charges. Power charges we'll calculate now. Power charges. So how to calculate? 75 for 10 units. We don't want per unit, we want per hour. 75 for 10 units. Machine consumes 4 units of power per hour. Per hour, how much it is spending? 4 units. So 75 for 10 means how much for 4? You got it? 75 is for 10 units. How much for 4 units? Easy calculation. 75, I'll show you. 75 multiplied with 4 divided by 10. So 75 multiplied with 4 divided by 10. I got 30. Hope you got it. Yes. Now add everything. You will get machine hour rate. So how much you will get? So it is 28.5 plus 8.75 plus 4.375 plus 30. 71.625. 71.625. Hope you are clear. So your answer is 71.625. That is your final answer. Like this, you are supposed to find out what is the machine hour rate. You are supposed to bifurcate as a setting up charges, as a variable charges. What will come under setup charges? Your rent, insurance charges, your anything like your supervisor's salary, all this comes under your standing charges are fixed. What about variable? Normally your depreciation, repair, power charges all comes under your variable expenses. So add all the fixed charges. The total should be divided by total number of hours. While taking total number of hours, always remember you are supposed to minus setting up hours. Now you are done with your fixed? Yes. What about variable? Depreciation you calculate. Once you're done with depreciation, go with your repair and maintenance, nothing but your power charges. Hope you are clear. Yes. I'll go back to all the previous slide. Please take screenshot. Your problem number 3. Your solution part. Again, your solution part. Yes. So this is all about your today's session. Hope you understood what do you mean by machine hour rate. Now remember, one more topic we have, your last topic in your subject, that will be taken care in the next session. Thank you.